Hello everyone! Today we are making a two-colored diamond lace crochet bag. Each motif has two rounds, an upside-down fan below and an upright fan above. Together, the two fans form one complete flower motif. I made this as an underarm shoulder bag with a simple hobo shape. You can adapt the motif into a shoulder bag or a small handbag. One motif repeat uses 7 stitches, so keep the final round a multiple of 7. For the size, the bag is about 24 cm wide. You can add more height if you like. I made only 4 full rows of motifs. The height is about 13 centimeters. Make the strap longer if you want a larger tote-style bag. I am using 2 mm hollow cotton cord from Xiaobao Tuan. I will show the colors and amounts on screen and in the description. This is a 100% cotton hollow cord, which I mentioned in my yarn video. As long as your tension is not too tight, it feels quite comfortable to crochet. It has no stretch at all, so it does not pull out of shape. That makes the bag firm and sturdy, and there are many colors to choose from. You can mix your own colors. I am using a 4.5 mm crochet hook. We will crochet with one strand. Start with the pink yarn and make a foundation chain. The base is rectangular. Begin with 36 chains. After 36 chains, hold the 36th chain and chain one more. Turn back to the side of the 36th chain and make one single crochet. Continue with single crochet along the side of each chain, 36 stitches in total. After the 36th stitch, chain 1 and turn. That is 1 row. Repeat 36 single crochets per row until you have 8 rows. This will be the bag base. Chain 1, turn, and keep working back and forth. After 8 rows, come back and I will show you how to start the body motif. I have finished 8 rows for the base. Count them 1 through 8 rows of single crochet. Now begin the body motif. Chain 3 and place a marker in the 3rd chain. Turn the work like this first. We will work along the long side. Yarn over and make 3 double crochets into the first stitch. The chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, so we now have 4 of the 7 stitches. We will complete the 7 double crochets later. Skip 3 stitches, then single crochet in the 4th. After this single crochet, skip 2 stitches this time, not 3. In the 3rd stitch, make 7 double crochets. After 7 double crochets, skip 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the 4th stitch. On the right side of the fan, skip 2 stitches. On the left side, skip 3. Now skip 2 stitches, yarn over, and make 7 double crochets in the 3rd stitch. Repeat this method until you reach the corner. After the corner fan of 7 double crochets, work the side edge next. Count the rows here, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Work into the top of row 4. Pick up 2 strands there and make the single crochet. Compare your piece with mine to make sure the placement matches. After that single crochet, go directly to the 1st stitch on the side edge. Yarn over, insert into the 1st stitch, and carry the yarn tail over it. Pull it a little tighter, then make 7 double crochets in this stitch. let the fan naturally curve around onto the side edge. After these 7 double crochets, work this half side through the remaining half loops. Skip 3 half loops, 1, 2, 3. Work into the 4th half loop. Catch the yarn tail and make 1 single crochet. Then skip 2 half loops and make 7 double crochets in the 3rd half loop. Keep repeating this until you reach the next corner. At the corner, count to the 4th row position and make a single crochet there. Yarn over, return to the 1st stitch and add 3 double crochets to complete the motif. Remove the stitch marker, insert into that marked stitch and slip stitch. For the slip stitch, insert the hook first, but do not pull the yarn through yet. Change to gray. Lay the pink yarn on top and pull the gray yarn through. Then chain 1. We will hide the pink yarn tail in a moment. Hide the pink tail for a few stitches, then cut it later. After chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the same stitch as the slip stitch. After this single crochet, chain 2. Next, we will make 7 unfinished double crochets. Look at their positions. The first 3 go on the fan, and the 4th goes into the single crochet. Then 5, 6, and 7 go on the next fan, making 7 positions in total. Here is the demonstration. Insert into the 1st stitch and catch the yarn tail. Pull through only the first 2 loops, then stop. Do the same in the 2nd stitch. Make 7 unfinished double crochets in these 7 positions. Each one is worked only through the first 2 loops. When they are done, yarn over, tighten slightly, and pull through all loops. Then chain 3. After chain 3, go to the center double crochet at the top and make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, then repeat the same 7 unfinished double crochets. I will show it once more. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and the single crochet is the 4th. Then, this side is 5th, 6th, and 7th. Yarn over. Pull through all at once, chain 3, and single crochet into the next double crochet. This is the direction of the work. Continue this pattern around the whole round. At the end, after the chain 3, find the first single crochet. Insert and slip stitch. We will still use gray for the next round. Hide the yarn tail for a few stitches, then cut it off. Now chain 1 again. Make 1 single crochet, then yarn over. Insert into the chain space in the center of the 7 unfinished double crochets. In this round, make 7 double crochets into each space to complete the motif. After 7 double crochets, make 1 single crochet into the previous round's single crochet. This is how the motif looks. Then return to the next space and make 7 double crochets. Continue with 7 double crochets, then 1 single crochet all the way around. After the last group of 7 double crochets, slip stitch into the first single crochet. Bring in the pink yarn. Each color works 2 rounds, forming 1 full motif row. After the 2 gray rounds, switch back to pink for the next section. The first pink round is the same as the first gray round. Start with chain 3. After chain 3, work unfinished double crochets. First, make 3 unfinished stitches. These 3 plus the chain 3 and the final 3 later will make one group of 7. Yarn over, insert into the first, second, and third double crochets for unfinished stitches. There are 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all, then chain 3. Go to the center top double crochet and make 1 single crochet. Chain 2. Now work 7 unfinished double crochets across these 7 stitches. Chain 3, single crochet, chain 2, then repeat with 7 unfinished double crochets. Continue this pattern to the end and I will show how to join it. Here I have chain 2. Now make 3 unfinished double crochets. After these 3, insert into the stitch from the first unfinished group. Slip stitch here to connect all 7 unfinished double crochets together. Then slip stitch forward 1 more stitch. See this stitch where the 3 unfinished double crochets came together? Slip stitch here. This round starts from this space. Chain 3 as the first double crochet. Yarn over and make 3 more double crochets in the same space. Including the chain 3, we now have 4 double crochets. After these 4 double crochets, make 1 single crochet into the next single crochet. This repeats the gray motif, but we began with half and will complete it at the end. Now, go to the middle space and make 7 double crochets. After 7 double crochets, make 1 single crochet, that is the repeat for this round. Continue to the end, then add 3 double crochets into the starting space. Just like the gray row, complete any half motif at the end. Each fan has 7 double crochets, so make sure all 7 are completed. Once that is done, the pink section is finished. Next, switch to gray. Continue upward after this pink section. Crochet 1 gray section and 1 pink section. After those 2 color sections, I will show you how to continue upward. I have added 2 more motif rows. Slip stitch, chain 1, and cut the yarn here. Next, we will crochet the shoulder strap area. Each side has 6 motif groups. Start from the group just left of the center on this side. Insert the hook into the very center stitch of that motif and bring in the gray yarn. Chain 1 first, then make 1 single crochet here. After the single crochet, the method is the same, but now we are shaping upward. To make this shape, reduce the number of motifs in each row. After the first single crochet, chain 2 and begin the unfinished double crochets here. The stitch method is the same, so I will not demonstrate every stitch again. Use gray to work these 2 motif rows across to this side, then stop and turn. Work this way until you reach the 3rd motif on the opposite side. Now I have reached this side. After the final chain 3, make 1 single crochet. Chain 1, then turn. Now we will crochet back in the opposite direction. Make 1 single crochet into the first stitch, yarn over, and make 7 double crochets in the space. After finishing the 7 double crochets, come here. Make 1 single crochet, then make 7 double crochets in the next space. Continue working back and forth in this way. Now you can see this row has 5 motif groups. Next, work into the spaces, 5 groups, then 4, 3, 2, and 1 before adding the strap. Each time you change color, cut the yarn and rejoin at the center on both sides. Finish the motifs on both sides first. Mine looks like this now. Check that you have not missed or added any motifs. Now we will crochet the strap. I chose pink for the strap, but gray is also fine. Since we will edge around it later, I suggest using the same color for strap and edging. Start here. This is the first double crochet. Insert into the top of the second one. You do not need to hide the yarn tails yet. The edging can cover them later. Bring in the pink yarn here. Insert into the first stitch and make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 single crochet in each stitch, 5 single crochets in total. It will look like this. Chain 1 and turn. Then continue with single crochet. The strap is simple, just work single crochet back and forth. Each row has 5 single crochets. Crochet until the length feels right for you. Try it on your shoulder to compare the length from this side to the other side. Sew it to these 5 stitches on the other side and the strap is finished. Next, I will explain how to edge around the bag. Finally, work 1 round of edging along this edge. Choose any place to insert the hook. I will start here. Let's insert the hook at this spot. Bring in the pink yarn. Pull the yarn through like this. Now crochet 1 round of single crochet all around the edge. Where there are no regular stitches, space the single crochets evenly. Do not let one area crowd while another area spreads out. Wherever the edge looks like it can take a stitch, place 1 single crochet. Edge it evenly like this. As you edge, also catch the yarn tails along the side. Work over those tails as well. Then you will not need to weave in each tail separately. Use the same method on this side too, since this section is single crochet. Work 1 single crochet into each horizontal row. Continue until you reach here. Now I am at the center between the 2 motifs. There is a stitch here, another stitch here, and another one here. Insert into this stitch. Make 1 single crochet, then chain 7. Return to the next stitch and continue single crochet. This loop will be used as the button closure. Later, sew a horn button on the opposite side. After adding the button, our bag is complete.